What's up everybody, welcome to the video. Hope you're having a great day. Now today I am here at Lexus of Bridgewater. They're having their grand opening event today, and as part of that event they are having a test drive featuring the all-new RZ 450e. And today I am here with Isaac from Lexus of Bridgewater, and we're going to go out for a test drive, test out the all-new RZ 450e, and talk all about it. And now just for a quick walk around. In the front you see this is an EV, so there's no grille opening here, but they did incorporate the Lexus spindle design in here. Same style LED daytime running lights. Now this is the luxury, so this is the top trim level out of the two. You got premium and luxury. So this is the 20-inch wheel that you get on the luxury trim. Has a dark chrome finish, very nice. Now the cargo area. So you do get a cargo net here. These are the floor mats, the different paperwork and stuff. So you have this comes with an all-weather floor mat, also comes with a carpeted one, and it comes with a cargo net as well. Nice large storage underneath there, and in there you have your charging cable. It's got the kick power liftgate. So you can see there's some similarity to the BZ4X here with these, I guess, the fins you can call them, coming off the back here. It's for aerodynamics. This almost looks like one of those kind of coupe SUVs with the way the back is shaped here. It's a sharp looking vehicle. A lot of EVs out there are just weird looking. This, however, does not. This looks like a relatively normal car, and I think that's a good thing. Now, since this caviar color is black, you can't really tell, but along the bottom and on the wheel arches, this is a slightly different black color. It also doesn't have the same clear coat that you get on the paint, so on other colors, it will be a contrasting two-tone with black here on the wheel arches, and the trim on the windows is also black. Now this 14-inch touchscreen, I mean, look at this thing. This thing is so clear, it's huge. They've really stepped it up. Lexus used to be the laughing stock of the industry with their touchpad infotainment. This is on a whole nother level. Definitely much better than Acura. They need to step up because they have raised the bar. So now we're going to test out this 13 speaker Mark Levinson sound system. Great controlled power from the sound system. Very deep bass, but not overbearing. I really like the way this system is tuned. Now, just to go over the interior a little bit, steering wheel feels very nice. I'm not sure if this is leather, but it's a little bit of a unique feeling material. I haven't felt anything like it before, but it's very nice. And on the head-up display, there's the same touch controls that you find on the other Lexus models. Now, this whole interior here is ultra suede in this khaki color. I'll put on the screen what the real color is. Nice leather on the armrest. It's soft at the top. Has the same Lexus new electronic door handles with the double for in case the electronics fail. Now this has a different shifter than the other Lexus models. It's just a dial. You just push down, right for drive, left for reverse, and the button for park. Now up here you got a wireless charger and 3 USB-C ports. Down here there's more storage. There's even more suede down here, and down underneath here there is a 12-volt outlet. The center console here has an interesting design on it. It almost looks like a cross between a wood grain and a brushed metallic. It has a matte finish, feels nice and high-end, and there's padding here to rest your knee while you're driving. Center console, nice and large, and there is a leather cover for your key fob. And in here, this is the digital key that you can put in your wallet and use instead of your fob. Now this car is based off the Toyota BZ4X. It's a little bit longer, and now just like the Toyota BZ4X, this does not have a glove box. so you are going to have a little bit less storage space. Okay, so now we're going to test the acceleration, and what better place to do it than Route 22. So now, Isaac, what is the 0 to 60 time on?
That's a great question. So this car is very, very fast. So 0 to 60 is going to be in 4.8 seconds.
4.8. Now that's
very impressive.
That's a very respectable number. Okay, merging into traffic. Oh yes, the pickup is fantastic. Now it's definitely a lot faster than the the RX, the gas counterpart. So this is great. Heads-up display showing the speedometer. Can also show your lane keep assist. Has the speed limit on there too, which is great. We're going to test the acceleration here one more time. Yeah, it's quick. It's very quick. There's absolutely no lag in delivery and power whatsoever. And speaking of power, how much horsepower are we working with?
This car actually comes equipped with a 308 horsepower. You feel when you accelerate, you actually feel the pullback, you feel the power of the vehicle. So you're not going to have any issues merging into traffic or merging in from a slow traffic to a highway or something to the sort.
So with this being a Lexus is known for their ride quality, for the quietness. So just I'm gonna turn down the air just so there's no like extra noise in here. It's incredibly quiet in here. You can't hear anything that's going on outside. Road noise is very minimal, and pickup from a start is fantastic. The noise that's pumped in is not overbearing like some other EVs. Doesn't quite sound like a gas engine, but it's a pleasant sound that won't intrude, disturb the peace, won't get in the way of trying to listen to your music or anything like that. Now, as far as the ride quality, now we're on a relatively smooth road here. Aren't too many bumps, but the few bumps that we are hitting, there's no harshness in the suspension. And again, like I said, Lexus is known for that very good ride quality. Same with build quality. There's no squeaks or rattles. Everything is nice and solid in here. So now, with this being an EV, one of the most important questions you want to know the answer to is, what's the range on this? How far are we going to get before we need to charge again?
That's a great question. So with the Lexus RZ, you're going to get a range of between 196 and 220 miles. The range difference, it varies in a few miles, obviously, depending on the air conditioning and a few electrical components that you will use as you drive the vehicle. But you could actually expect a range between 196 and 220 miles.
And if you are, like a commuter that takes us to work every day, and you have a charger installed at your home, there should be no issue getting to work and back, no problem. So what colors do we have available in the new RZ?
Plenty of colors, plenty of colors. We have the Caviar, we have the Iridium, Ether, Matador Red Mica, Nebula Gray Pearl, Nordic Green Pearl, Eminent White Pearl, Cloudburst Gray, Ether with Black Onyx, Nightfall Mica Copper Crest. Very, very nice colors. You have a beautiful selection of different colors for different choices, for different customers looking for a variety of different colors.
Now, is that copper color the same one that's on the RX?
It is. It's the same one on the RX.
That's a beautiful color.
It's a very contemporary. It's a new color for Lexus. It gives it a very contemporary touch, very contemporary look, and it is actually a very nice color.
I think that is the color I would get. It's out there. It's different, but I like it. And as for the steering, I've said in other videos that I've made in the past about Toyota's steering feeling very light. I don't think that's the case here. I think the steering is tuned to a perfect stiffness. It's not too hard to maneuver. It's also not too easy to maneuver. Even though this is Lexus's first full EV, they are not newcomers when it comes to electrification. They've been making hybrids for over 20 years. They may be coming a little late in the full EV market, but they've been taking the time to really perfect this. So this is gonna wrap up the test drive of the new Lexus 450e. I wanna give a big thank you to Lexus of Bridgewater for inviting me out to this event today. They have a beautiful brand new dealership, brand new showroom located on Route 22 out in Bridgewater, New Jersey. And when you get here, make sure you ask for Isaac. Got his info on the screen again for you. So thank you for watching, and hopefully in the future, I'll be able to get you guys some more point of view style test drives. I did these videos on my first videos back when I started the channel. I missed having the opportunity to be able to do that. So hopefully now I'll be able to do it a bit more in the future. So take care and be safe out there.